What's going on, guys? It's a GM Man back here. This is going to be a little bit different video. I'm actually going to a car show here in Indiana. It's called Scoop the Loop. It's happening 5 minutes away from my house. I go every year. Basically what it is people bring out their classic cars, trucks, anything on wheels, and you basically just drive up and down this street. People park along the side, set up lawn chairs, just enjoy all the classic cars and stuff. Last year, I believe there was like 5,000 some people that came out to it. People come from Ohio and Kentucky and Indianapolis and all over just for this one car show. So I don't have this 79 done. I was hoping to be able to take it, but it's still getting lift kit and all that done. Hopefully next year. So we're gonna take the 98. This truck's gonna get a full makeover here soon. As you guys seen, I got a new bed for it. So this old bed's gonna be coming off. New one's gonna be coming on, or going on. The new one doesn't have the flare holes in it, doesn't have rust on it. I'm gonna be putting it on there. Patch that rust on that other side, and then I'm probably, when I go to repaint this whole thing, find a new front clip for it. I'm gonna keep these marker lights or my turn signals on here, but maybe change out the headlights and get my cowl hood for it. So yeah, that's going to be some of the changes coming to this truck. The front flares will be coming off. I'll be filling the holes, painting it, so the flares will stay off. I'll have a nice wide stance, and then maybe I'm going to change up the front bumper to a heavy duty one, just to give it a tougher look. So that being said, I'm going to hop in. I'm going to go meet my buddy Jimmy at one of the local high schools, and we're gonna go cruise. I'm gonna get some awesome footage of some awesome vehicles tonight, trucks, cars, anything on wheels pretty much, and I hope you guys like the video. All right, guys, what's going on? I got my buddy Jimmy here. Say hi, Jimmy.
What's up, guys?
We are at Scoop the Loop right now. We just made one pass through. Just a quick view of some of the vehicles going through. Hey, there's Calvin right there. But just some of the vehicles. We got a couple Jeeps over here. One of our buddies just drove through in his 7.3. So I'm gonna try and get some footage. I don't know how well I'm gonna be able to while I'm driving, but I'm gonna shut you guys off. Probably go park here in a little bit and then bring you guys back just so you guys can get some better footage of the vehicle. As you know, we're at Scoop the Loop here. Got some guys over here that were riding with me. Hit rev limiter in the truck and it started shaking, so I'm guessing oil sending units out. I have no oil pressure, but we're not dripping anything, so we're just gonna close the hood, go make the best of this night, and yeah, so I'll have some more footage for you guys here soon.
Ryan Little.
Alrighty guys, I don't know how well you can see me, but my truck is at my dad's office here in town. I have no oil pressure in it, so I don't know what the problem is, but we might look at doing a 12 valve swap to the old girl. So I might find an old cheap Cummins, pull the motor and tranny out and slap it in there and call it a day. But yeah, we're about to go get some Taco Bell and go back and hang out. That's gonna do it for my night. Reality hasn't set in yet that I blew up my truck, but hey, you know, shit happens. But yeah, I'll catch you guys again. Remember, learning as I do, doing what I love, and I'll see you guys soon.